Let's get ready to fix that side sunroof gap on your BMW SUV to eliminate the annoying wind noise and prevent some nasty water damage. Your kit contains different sized inserts for the left and the right of the car. Tilt your sunroof to begin. It's possible that your seal doesn't show a gap at the typical seal junction, but instead decided to retract at the front. In this case, you will need to break the bond at the rear junction and expose the gap first by pulling it back. Let's start by selecting the right-sized insert for your gap. Slightly larger is better. It'll create a tighter seal. Clean up the area and the seal channels where the insert will be snapping in place. Next, push the seal back a little to make room for installing the gap filler. Using a plastic pry tool, install the gap filler with the bottom snap first. Be careful not to drop the insert down. Now lift the pry tool and snap the top part of the insert. Make sure the insert is snapped in place and sits properly in the channel. Next, pull the seal back in place, tightly against the insert, and inspect your work. Before calling it a day, make sure your sunroof drains are working properly. Test and clean them if necessary. There's no need to use glue in this installation process. If your seal keeps shrinking, simply replace the insert with a bigger size.